Qingdao Haishun Jihua Machinery Company Limited. Qingdao Haishun Jihua Machinery Company Limited, set up in 2013, mainly produces automobile mold castings and machine tool castings. It is a council member of Shandong Foundry Association and standard implementing enterprise of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology for integration of industry and information. The company has obtained certification of ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environment Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health Safety Management and EIA Acceptance. With the production technology of furan resin sand evanescent mold, it has advanced equipment such as resin sand production line, intermediate frequency melting furnace, vibration shakeout regeneration system, large chute blasting room, natural gas aging furnace, etc. Besides, the company is equipped with a full set of testing equipment for mechanical and physical properties of castings, including spectral analyzer, metallurgical detector, universal material tester, etc. The company can produce various grades of gray cast iron, nodular cast iron, and high-grade alloy castings and cast steel products, covering the mold design, making, processing, testing, installation, and commissioning, able to effectively strengthening overall work plan, ensuring mold processing, quality and duration. Is 20 tons. Its main customers are domestic and overseas automobile mold manufacturing enterprises, machine tool manufacturing enterprises, and the largest pump enterprises in China.